done like just a tiny bit of this trail. It's a 4-mile trail, one way. But this trail is 90% green. There's a few parts that go into black because there's this really gnarly like cliff thing, like wall. I don't know that anyone bikes it. From what I understand, it used to be rideable, but it's not. And then that's the black part. And then there's a blue part. I have not been on the blue part, I don't believe. But most of it's pretty like, oh, it's like this. Just chilling. Whoop. Like if you're wanting like chill rides, this is the place to ride. Hurricane Run. And other places, they're just not chill like this. Like out east, these are kind of similar to the trails that I'm used to, just mainly dirt. But instead of rocks, roots. Some rocks. Continue on for JEM. Woo! Woo! This is where the dirt has this greenish gray. It's so cool. Gorgeous views. Love it. Yeah. Whee! I am so happy when I mountain bike. I love to ride my bike. It's my happy place. What's over here? I think this is this. This is this. Is this wall coming up? No, this is not the wall coming up, but it's coming up. That's fun. It's like a roller coaster. This is the wall. I'm going to look on my trail for it. I think this is the black section. It's like, it's just like kind of gnar. Let's look. Like, do not ride this section. Yeah, this is a black section right here. I heard it used to be rideable. I mean, I guess you could roll it. I'm not really sure. I'd have to watch somebody else do it. I'm not at the level to do it. Oh, and then, but this part here looks, wait, there looks like there's something down here too. I see. Woo! Okay, JEM is this way. I have not yet been this way. Have I? No. Oh, look. Oh, this is the black section. I think it does. Maybe it doesn't. I'm not riding this. This is a pre-ride. Let's just walk down this and see what it's about. Because we don't know what it's about. We gotta like look at it. Oh yeah. I see. This is gnar. It's just that it's very steep too. It's not that it's bad, you just cannot brake. You gotta just go. See, I slid on just a walking. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yep, that just happened. Look at that, that's a steep little downhill. However, I did not like that part. Woo! That was fun. That was a lot of fun. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Woo! This trail, you definitely want to start from JEM Trailhead because it flows that way. It's going more downhill in that direction. However, I still haven't figured out how I'm going to get back. Probably maybe on the access road or something, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Woo! Ah! Okay, this trail's cool. before I should be making. Okay, dead ringer. Goosebumps. Where I can't. Yeah, this is a lot of slow fun. Oh yeah! Woo! Boom. Oh, look at these views. I can see Zion from here, go to my right. I can see the tips of it. La 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 la. Oh. Now we're at the road where I go to my trail, to my house. Well, I took my car back, but this is the trail that you get onto. Boom. Man, that was fun. That one part of the trail was really gnarly. I actually didn't know how my collarbone would, I don't feel anything. I mean, nothing was moving, but it was just like a little sore. I mean, my whole body went to the side. I basically missed my footing on a off-camper slick rock thingamajiggy. When I put my foot down, because it was round, it wasn't like level, and I just tipped over. So I rolled onto a log that was there, a rotten log, and thank goodness that was there to catch me. So it wasn't like it was a fast fall, it was like a very slow fall. camping out here. Where the line is. Okay, right there. When I pre-ride something, if it's like super like a rocky thing, unless I can 100% recognize or figure out what the line is obvious, I'll ride it. But if it's not, I don't take the chance. I want to be able to continue to ride and not injure myself where I can't ride. That happened last summer and it's no fun. I camped at the next one that's by the other parking trailhead, but I knew that the trails I wanted to do today, like this one, it was better to start at JEM Trailhead, because I'm not worried about having a spot for tonight. Rough my arms. Oh, the rocky road is whoa, 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 whoa. This trail is fun. I'd like to get where I could be comfortable going down that one section. Not the rock wall, hell no. But the other section. This is where I camped. Right over here. Last night. It's fun. It's quiet. Next to this thing. Looks like my spot is still available. And I'm going to do it. Hey. I love the old vintage vans. Okay. So now we're going to go to this other trailhead. Take us back to our car. Our van. Right over there where you see the white tops. That's the Zion area behind there. Sheep Bridge Trailhead. Cool van.